In this video, I will show you how to set up the null and the alternative hypothesis for section 11.3 because this section, the hardest step is step number 1, set up the null and alternative hypothesis. So first of all, we have 3 choices for alternative. The null, we always assume that mu d equal to 0. And the alternative hypothesis can be not equal to 0 for mu d, or greater than 0 or less than 0. So when we read the problem, especially the question, which one we should set up for the alternative hypothesis. For example, we have problem number 9 is here, and it's talking about the drug A and drug B. So let's just do one formula that we always do the top minus bottom. So in this case, we will do drug A minus drug B. So in the question, it said that can you conclude that the mean pain level is less with drug B? Drug B less. If drug B less, for example, you look at this one, the first one, drug B is 5 and drug A is 6. So if drug B less than drug A, when you do the minus, the difference, you will get positive. So the null is mu d equal to 0, but the alternative mu d will be greater than 0. Now problem 11, can you conclude that the mean strength after 3 days differs from the mean strength after 6 days? In the problem, they don't tell you that 3 days is more or 6 days is more or less, but they have the word differs. So differs, we will do mu d not equal to 0 for H1. Now problem 13. Can you conclude that the mean increase in height is greater than 5 inches? So when they say more or less or difference like 9 and 11, we will do 0. But in this problem, they're telling us that 5 is increased greater than 5. The increasing is greater than 5. So if you do mu d is a different, so that would be greater than 5. And mu d is not equal to 0 for H0 and H1, mu d greater than 5. In this case, you know that the 12H and the 14H. The 14H is always higher than the 12H. So we have the increasing. We always taller, right? So the 14 years old kid will always taller than the 12 years old. We are talking in the same boy. So to find the difference, for example, look at the first boy. When he was 12, his height is 57.9. When he was 14, his height is 62.9. It means his height is increasing, and the increase is 5 inches. So I have the real number here, so I just do the subtraction. 62.9 minus 57.9. So in this case, we will do age 14 minus age 12, and we got all of the real numbers. So for more details for this problem, I will solve in the other video.